Ever wondered how to become a game developer? In the digital age, the demand for game developers is on a steady rise. This profession brings together art, storytelling, and cutting-edge technology to create interactive experiences enjoyed by millions worldwide. The process of game development is as exciting as the final product itself. It requires a deep understanding of different aspects, each as crucial as the next. From mastering game engines that serve as the backbone of every game, to learning programming languages that breathe life into your characters. Not to mention, the design techniques that add that extra layer of allure and engagement. Whether it is Unreal Engine or Unity, C, or Python, each game engine and programming language holds its unique charm and application. Therefore, choosing the right tools can make all the difference. So if you're intrigued by the idea of creating your own games, stick with us as we delve into the roadmap to becoming a game developer. The first step in your journey to becoming a game developer is to familiarize yourself with game engines. But what are game engines? Well, they're the software that provides the fundamental technology to develop games. Think of them as your virtual tool set, housing all the necessary tools like a physics engine, graphics renderer, or AI functions to bring your game to life. Now let's talk about some of the big players in the game engine world. Unreal Engine, known for its high-quality graphics and comprehensive suite of development tools, is ideal for creating immersive AAA games. Then there's Unity, a favorite among indie developers for its user-friendly interface, great community support, and flexibility in creating both 2D and 3D games. Each of these engines have their own unique features and benefits, and they are suited for different types of games. So it's crucial to understand what you want to achieve before you choose your engine. Choosing the right game engine can drastically streamline your game development process. Once you've chosen your game engine, the next step is to learn the programming languages associated with it. Programming is the backbone of game development. It's the magic that brings your game characters to life, sets the rules of your virtual world, and creates immersive experiences. Now there are several languages you could learn, but the most popular ones in the gaming industry are C, C++, and Python. C and C++ are the powerhouses, the heavy lifters. They're commonly used in engines like Unreal Engine and Unity, allowing for high levels of control and performance. Python, on the other hand, excels in simplicity and readability, making it a great choice for beginners or for scripting and automation tasks. But remember, being proficient in one language is good, but being comfortable in multiple languages is even better. The more languages you know, the more versatile and adaptable you become as a game developer. Mastering the right programming languages is vital to bringing your game ideas to life. By now, you should have a basic understanding of the roadmap to becoming a game developer. We've explored the vast world of game engines, from the flexibility of Unity to the high-fidelity graphics of Unreal Engine. These tools are the backbone of any game, providing the necessary framework to bring your ideas to life. We also delved into the realm of programming languages. Whether it's the versatility of Python, the directness of C, or the object-oriented nature of C++, each has its own merits in game development. The choice of language depends on your game engine, your project's needs, and your personal preference. The intersection of game engines and programming languages is the core of game development. Understanding these two elements will set you on the path to creating your own virtual worlds. Remember, becoming a game developer is a journey. So keep learning, experimenting, and most importantly, have fun creating.